The Ulanzi DOF is an adapter that lets you use vintage lenses on your smartphone. The main interest of this adapter is to let you have the shallow depth of field and the bokeh of fast lenses on a regular smartphone. So how does it work? The image is focused on a tiny focusing screen inside the adapter, and the smartphone camera records this focusing screen only. The first thing that shocked me after 5 minutes of tests is that the out-of-focus bokeh balls that you can see out of the adapter are extremely boring. If you compare it to the same lens adapted to a real full-frame camera, the gap is huge. The comparison speaks for itself. By using the adapter, you are losing all the character of each lens, and that's a massive problem. As the smartphone focuses on the screen, you will get all the details of the focusing screen surface, even wide open. Meaning that if there is even a tiny dust on your screen, you will see it on your final video. In this footage, I shot with the same lens at the same distance. And you can see there is a big crop. When I used the adapter, I had to move back the tripod to match the framing of the A7 III. Using the phone as a camera without a rotating screen is pretty annoying. And it forces you to be at the same height as the subject to check what you are doing. I must say I'm pretty disappointed with this product. Losing the lens's character is a big issue for a bokeh addict like me. If you have a very low budget and you don't mind getting grainy and dirty images without any real character, this adapter is maybe a first step in the world of vintage lenses. But if you are not a beginner, then I will advise sticking to mirrorless cameras. Please consider joining the channel to help me do more videos.